This will be a short video demonstrating how to go about finding peer-reviewed articles. Now, Western has a lot of different article databases, and there's different ways in which you might go about limiting to peer-reviewed articles. In some cases, the article databases will only include peer-reviewed articles, such as ones that you might find in Web of Science. But what I'll be demonstrating today is using one of our EBSCO databases, PsycInfo, because it's one of our most popular databases that we have, and whenever you're in an EBSCO database, you would go through a similar process in order to find those peer-reviewed articles. So starting from the Western Library's homepage, library.wwu.edu, I'm just going to go to where it says Articles and Databases. And if you're not familiar with the database that you're going to be searching in, what you'll want to do first is go to databases by subject or title, because like I said before, we have a lot of different databases that we could potentially be using. Then go over to where it says select a database by subject, and then you can find your database that way. In this case, I already know that I'm going to be going to PsycInfo, so I'm going to use the link here, but you could also use the alphabetical list that we see over here if you have a different database that you wanted to go to. So I'm going to click on PsycInfo. And if you're off campus at this point, it would ask you to log in. I'm on campus, so I'm automatically logging in. And I'll just do a search for test, since it's not really a search that means anything. So at this point, I have over 41,000 different results. And if I want to limit to peer-reviewed articles, I'm going to check this box right here. And the other thing, while I'm at it, I might want to also drag the date up. Let's say I only want stuff that is fairly recent. Then I'll click Update, and as you can see, it drops my results down considerably. There are some other ways that I could continue to limit my results, but this is one of the most basic ways to go about doing it. And the other thing is that you'll want to make sure to be cautious that the articles that you're getting really are still peer-reviewed articles. You're going to want to evaluate them. A librarian can help you with that if you're not familiar with the process, because even though some of these are published in peer-reviewed journals, they're not actually peer-reviewed articles. They might be book reviews, or they might be editorials that happen to be published in a peer-reviewed journal.